Hi, I'm Steve with G8 Designs. Does your G8 or Caprice PPV glove box do this when you open it? Just flops open? Well, what you need is the G8 Designs Gaping Glove Box Repair Kit. You see, in these glove boxes, there are plastic stop pins that control the operation of the glove box when it opens and closes. Now, these plastic molded in pins from the factory will break off over time, and pretty soon you get a glove box that falls down and flops on your passenger's knees like this. So what we did was we developed the G8 Designs Gaping Glove Box Repair Kit to prevent this problem. This kit replaces those molded plastic stop pins with substantial screw hardware that is specially designed to fit this application, and in a half an hour with common tools you can repair your glove box, so this will never happen again. There's a little shock absorber tube with a cable that's on the side of each of these glove boxes, and that little shock absorber is designed to lower the glove box slowly when you open it up in a controlled manner. When those plastic stop pins break off, all of that function is lost and it just flops all the way open. It should open and close just like this. So, if you want to get your glove box working like it did again in your G8 or your Caprice PPV, just contact G8 Designs and get our glove box repair kit. It's only $25 shipped anywhere in the country, slightly higher internationally. Contact us through our Facebook page by clicking the Send Message button on the page, and you can chat with us live. Or you can email us at g8designsfl@gmail.com. We'll be glad to help you. And for all of our blokes over in Australia, just watch this video in the mirror, mate. Good on you. It's fair dinkum.